Today I will show you what is included in the NEX Primary Maker Kit. Students can bring their imaginations to life with the NEX pieces. This kit is designed for about half of a class, with students working in groups of 2 to 3 on one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence of the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges do build upon one another. There are additional building cards to guide students in creating a variety of objects. This kit contains several rods, connectors, blocks, and even some eyes. Here is an example of something a student can create using NEX. Upon returning all of the contents, students can place all rods, connectors, and blocks together in the container. For additional projects and ideas, check out the resources listed on our Maker Kit website. Reach out to your ed tech with any questions. Thank you.